Hello everyone, a quick update lang. This school year 2025-2026, I actually started creating my own resources, no? We call this one guided notes or pop sheet. I don't know sa iba anong tawag. But then again, it's a resource na ginagamit ng mga bata as a form of a reviewer or again, a material for them to study about the lesson discussed sa klase. So, this is a grade 3 lesson about understanding fractions equal to 1 and greater than 1. So, as you can see here, marami siyang mga visuals, no? Because again, remember, these are grade 3 students. And I use PowerPoint to create this resource. One thing about PowerPoint na I like is, again, yung flexibility. I can actually create tables. I can insert visuals just like this. I can do equations easily compared when using a Word document. Kasi alam naman natin, no? Yung pinaka-hate ko about Word document is when I try to insert something, a picture perhaps, the entire orientation is nababago. Right? So, since patapos na yung taon, um, third quarter, maraming mga, in my upcoming lessons, no? Maraming mga visuals, mga pictures, shapes na kailangan kong gawin. And ang downside lang ng PowerPoint is wala siyang hindi siya rich in terms of the um, tawag nito, yung mga stock images niya. So you can do shapes, yes, but again, in terms of images, hindi masyadong rich yung database ng Microsoft. So this next year, 2026, I am planning no to try no Canva. So again, yung Canva, this is a good pamalit sa PowerPoint actually. So I tried creating a pop sheet dito. This is a grade 3 lesson and a grade 4 about describing, measuring, and drawing angles. So, sa Canva, actually, you can insert lines na, you can create this angle. I created this one myself, yan. And then also, you can actually, under elements, no, you can do, or you can search anything. So, for example, I want to have an illustration about acute angle. So, I just can search on that and then just pick, no, kung ano yung gusto ko and then just drag na kung saan ko siya gustong ilagay. That will do. Alright? So again, ito yung wala sa PowerPoint na hinahanap ko. Yung richness of the illustrations. And then, if you're a teacher actually, yung Canva Pro is actually free. Just go to Canva Education, no? Apply ka doon, use your email, tapos i-verify mo lang that you're actually really a teacher. Then you will be given, no, yung free na membership ng Canva Education. So, again, balik tayo dito. Ito yung resource na ginawa ko. So, as you can see here, this is a protractor. So, if I'm doing this one in PowerPoint, ang gagawin ko is I'm going to search for a protractor and then copy the image and then paste it on sa PowerPoint and then most likely remove the background. So, sa Canva, what we can do is search lang tayo no, ng protractor, and then, yun, lalabas na siya. And then again, the same thing, you can just simply click and drag no? Kung saan mo siya gustong ilagay. And then, adjust mo lang kung ano yung mag-suit sa needs mo. Ayun lang. And again, Happy New Year, everyone.